Takasago Thermal Engineering, utilizing air circulation effectively to achieve both comfort and economic efficiency. Let me introduce you to the Swit swirling induction type air conditioning system. Comparison between mixed air conditioning and Swit. The image shows an indoor environment of mixed air conditioning and Swit. Compared with mixed air conditioning, Swit can keep the living environment comfortable and clean. So let's look at comparative footage when contamination actually occurs in the room. Compared to mixed air conditioning that will address the whole room, Swit will immediately make the living area a comfortable and clean environment. Comfort and energy efficiency when air conditioning is on. Let's take a look at the performance of Swit by comparing it with mixed air conditioning during cooling and heating. During cooling, it uses a lot of energy since it cools the higher, non-inhabited areas of the space. On the other hand, Swit efficiently cools only the living area by utilizing the nature of how cool air sinks. During heating, cold air and pollutants stay in the living area as it is difficult for the warm air supplied to reach the lower levels. Meanwhile, Swit prevents the cool air and pollutants from remaining by carrying them with the surrounding air up to the higher levels. Comparison between conventional displacement air conditioning and Swit. Swit is a new displacement air conditioning system that uses a swirling flow. The most striking feature about it is how it increases the amount of air induction by various combinations of swirling flows. As a result, we manage to improve the level of comfort and cut down the size of the air supply unit to save space. Now, let's take a closer look at the comfort of Swit and its air supply unit. Comfort. Compared to conventional air conditioning, the airflow area is increased with Swit, preventing the uncomfortable cold air in the lower levels and pollutants from accumulating. Air supply unit. Swit makes quick air outlets possible and achieves space saving of the air supply unit by reducing the surface area to 1/3 and footprint to 1/2 or less. Airflow simulation of Swit. Let's take a look at an airflow simulation in which Swit is applied in an electrical room. Even if there are devices and obstacles blocking the flow, the air is supplied to every corner of the room. Even if the location and layout of the devices are changed, there will be no construction modifications required to change the air outlet positions. Annual energy consumption and the initial cost. Compared to mixed air conditioning, Swit reduces annual energy consumption by 42% and provides higher energy-saving effects compared to conventional air conditioning. Also, the initial cost can be reduced by 30% compared to mixed air conditioning, and additional cost savings can be achieved compared to conventional air conditioning. Swit is an air conditioning system suitable for large spaces with high cooling loads and pollutant requirements. The system has a proven track record of being used in factories, gymnasiums and atriums, both in Japan and abroad. Swit provides large space comfort whilst providing energy savings, space savings, and cost savings.